नजर आपकी उन्हें ढूंढ रही है जिनसे आप मिलने आए हैं।
Let's play now. Come on, come on. Give it a bingo. 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 Bingo.
गुरु।
हाँ जी।
गुरु गुरु गुरु, ये मेरे गुरु हैं। मैंने प्यार से अपना गुरु बुलाता हूँ। गुरु, तो अगर आप बुरा ना माने तो मैं इनके माए बाप को बुला लूं बिंगो के?
जी जरूर, प्लीज।
हमारे अन्नदाता फॉक्स टीवी के हेड मिस्टर नचिकेत एंड कलर्स के हेड ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग एक्सट्रीमली चार्मिंग अश्विनी याडी।
What we're doing now is trending our weekends. So if you see, we've started the 1 hour slot on Saturday on fiction, and that does really well for us. So we're only adding this one on. So the fiction slot moves to 10 o'clock and bingo comes in at 9. So we have a lead in from Hanuman to this and then moves on to the fiction slot.
Why did I choose bingo? I chose bingo because I thought the format was excellent. I was very keen in the past, whenever I got an offer, to do something that was very interactive. What I liked about National Bingo Night is that as a show, once you see it, and whatever little clips you've seen, it is a very interactive, fun-filled show. I didn't want something very serious because I don't do serious too well unless it's in a Ram Gopal Verma film. And yeah, then I don't have dialogue, so it's also good. I just stand quietly in the background and brood, and then get shot in part 2. Okay, moving on, yeah. I enjoyed that. I like the fact that people, for the first time on Indian television, that you can, the home viewing audience is equally participating in the TV show. That's never happened before. And that excited me, that people sitting at home, our home viewing audience, could also play the game. So not only do we have 2 contestants playing the game against 200 studio audience, but then you also have the entire viewing audience sitting at home who can play bingo and can win a lot of money. Hence the whole funda of Aram. Sit at home, watch TV, and eat a lot of junk food. And as you know, I'm very against the 6-pack, so yeah. Eat a lot of junk food, chill with the family, and make money while you're doing it. What could be better than that? Shah Rukh and Pa have not come on yet. We'll be shooting with them now. Shooting with the Balika Vadhu kids is wonderful. I've shot with them before. I actually went on Balika Vadhu to promote a film of mine. So Jagya and Anandi are both very sweet. What's amazing is how chirpy and bright they are. And so I know them, they're friends of mine. So I enjoyed playing with them. Obviously I had a lot of other friends. I had Farhan, Deepika, Kiran Aunty, Sonali, I had Arshad and Vidya. These are some of the celebrities that have already come and shot with us. So I had a lot of fun with all of them. They're my friends, so I take a bit of liberty with them. I danced with them. I played badminton with Kiran Aunty. She's a badminton champion actually, she was. So basically what I felt is that it would be just terribly boring as a show if people just come and a ball comes out and you announce it. I think you all would get bored. So we've tried to spice it up a bit. We have a lot of fun. They're my friends, so you know, we interact. हंसी मजाक होती रहती है, so it's good fun.
And ये अभी आज से चालू होंगे कि कहाँ से टिकट मिलेंगे आपको, न्यूज़पेपर टाई अप, वो सब आपको पता चलेगा. तो इस हफ्ते हम पूरा वो डिटेल्स, हम इंफॉर्मेशन पास ऑन करेंगे. इंटरैक्शन तभी होगा जब शो ऑन एयर जाएगा. इट्स अ लाइव इंटरैक्शन. जैसे शो 9 बजे चालू होगा तभी आप खेल सकते हैं, उसके पहले बिल्कुल नहीं खेल सकते.
If you're a home viewing audience, you call in and say that you've got bingo, कि हमारे पास bingo है. That then gets verified with our auditors. Once it is verified, that is its own natural process. Once that is audited and verified, then we get in touch with them saying you have won, and then the process of getting the monies across to them.